Is your Amana air conditioner turning off after only a few minutes of cooling? Several factors could be the cause. One common issue is low refrigerant, which leads to overheating and shutdown. Leaks deplete refrigerant, dropping pressure and triggering the compressor to stop. A faulty thermostat or wiring can also misread temperatures, causing short cycles. Additionally, compressor and capacitor problems, where a failing capacitor can't start the compressor, can lead to erratic cycling. Finally, restricted airflow from dirty filters or clogged coils can cause ice buildup and pressure imbalances, shutting down the unit. Let's investigate each of these potential causes in more detail. Low refrigerant levels are a common cause of your Amana AC stopping cooling quickly. When refrigerant is low, the system overheats and shuts down as a safety measure. Leaks in the system deplete the refrigerant over time, dropping the pressure and triggering the compressor to stop after just a few minutes. Faulty thermostats or wiring problems can also cause your AC to stop cooling quickly. These components may misread the room temperature, leading to short cooling cycles where the system turns on and off rapidly. Compressor and capacitor problems are another potential cause. A failing capacitor may not provide sufficient power to start the compressor properly, resulting in erratic cycling where the AC turns off after just a few minutes. Finally, restricted airflow from dirty filters or clogged coils can cause your AC to stop cooling quickly. This leads to ice buildup on the evaporator coils and pressure imbalances that force the system to shut down as a protective measure. To help identify refrigerant leaks, which are a major cause of low refrigerant levels, you can use a gas leak detector, like this one, to check for leaks in your system. Start troubleshooting by checking and cleaning your AC's air filter. A clogged filter restricts airflow and can cause the unit to ice up, leading to short cycling. Next, inspect the thermostat for proper function and wiring issues. If you have a smart AC model, consider a firmware update to fix potential glitches. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it's likely a refrigerant leak or compressor issue. Both require a certified technician due to EPA regulations. Expect to pay between $150 for a filter fix and up to $800 for compressor replacement. Annual maintenance can prevent many of these issues by ensuring proper operation. Smart Amana units with IoT features can use AI diagnostics to predict failures, potentially reducing short cycling. If your unit is under warranty, contact Amana for repairs. Units purchased after 2022 have extended compressor warranties due to reported issues.